In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your 2022 income taxes online for beginners using TurboTax in 2023. So let's dive right in and simplify the tax filing process step by step. To start with, open your preferred web browser and head over to the TurboTax official website. This is where you'll file your taxes online, guided by their easy to use interface. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the Sign In button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials, but if you're new, you'll need to create an account by following the prompts provided. This might involve entering some basic information, so have that ready. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. From here, the next path to follow is towards the Federal section. Clicking on this will navigate you towards managing your federal tax data. It's organized into several categories to help streamline your tax filing journey. Now let's focus on your income. Locate and click on the Wages and Income section. This is where you'll begin entering all your income details. Gather your W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant income documentation, as you'll need these details to accurately fill out this part of your tax return. Next, if you're self-employed, you'll want to navigate to the self-employment section. This is crucial for anyone with freelance income or who runs their own business. TurboTax will guide you through reporting your business income and expenses, giving you important deductions that can save you money. Once you're ready, click on the Start button to begin inputting your information in the necessary fields. TurboTax makes it easy by prompting you step by step, ensuring you don't miss any important details. As you proceed, you might come across a prompt to upgrade your TurboTax version to accurately report more complex income streams. This is typical if your financial situation includes elements like self-employment or investments, which require more detailed reporting. Upgrading allows you to take full advantage of tax deductions and credits applicable to your situation, ultimately making sure your tax return is as accurate as possible. And there you have it, your guide to starting the process of filing your 2022 income taxes online using TurboTax as a beginner. Remember, precision is key when it comes to taxes, so take your time, double check all your entries, and keep your documents handy. If you get stuck, TurboTax offers assistance options that can guide you through any snags along the way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial simplifies your tax season.